There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
So welcome everybody to today's call. My name is Dominic and I will take you through the different findings and strategies that I'm using for Flash. So if anybody has any questions, please, I will give you here an option so you can unmute yourself. You can also send it into the chat and we're gonna go through different things. Just send me everything that you guys like see, observe while trading with Flash, and I will show you like my findings and what I think can work nice with Flash, and also what I'm gonna be doing in future, what I'm gonna be testing out, because I really think that Flash can be actually like used more as a scalper, not so much as a swing trader, because me personally, I don't like to be in trades for a very long time. I rather get like my profit, get in and out, take the profit, and that's it, and I'm done for the day. So you can see here, actually this is my 250k account, where I'm trying different things that if they work good, I'm gonna implement into the Fingo Pro 1. For now, we can see that gold is performing amazing. You can also see here that we caught today really nice sales in the morning, and we got out with 0.25%. Yeah, maybe we could get out with even more, as you can see what a big drop it was here on gold. So yeah, maybe sometimes it's better to stay in trades for a longer time. So what I'm doing personally, I will be testing out some different things, how we can maybe even get like more profit out. But what I don't want to do, I don't want to be like too greedy with profit and then stay in some trends for a longer time, because as you can see here, Flash actually, this is on a bigger account. Actually what happened here, here was our first trade. You can see here was our first trade, and then it didn't open up here trades because the pending orders get deleted. I'm deleting pending orders every 15 minutes. But then what you see here, when the big drop happened, here was actually a sell stop. So when it went through sell stop, we even caught like more profit. So my thinking behind the gold strategy is that we are deleting pending orders every 15 minutes. So what does that mean? When in the morning Flash starts looking for different trades, okay, if the pending order it's not hitting 15 minutes, then it's gonna go more up if we are looking for sells, and more up and more up and more up. Why? Because I want that big spike to the upside, like for the sell, a spike to the upside and down, and then like a big drop to the downside, and that's how we catch all these profits in like 11 minutes. Today I was out in 11 minutes with my trades, and I did like what, 3%. So this is, for me, it's perfect. I don't want trades to be more than like an hour, to be completely honest with you. Let me see chat. I'm gonna open up chat. Where's the chat? Okay, I have to find chat. But yeah, anyway, like I don't want to be in trades for a long time. So what I'm doing now here also, I also added here GBP USD, and you can see here what I did with GBP USD. It was a really good example for this morning. As you can see, GBP USD also does like nice spikes in the morning, and if you see here, it started like looking for sell buy positions. If you can see here, because it was here, it was support. And also what you can see is that actually we have it here that the stochastic was really low, so it started looking for buys. But what I did with GBP USD, it's one thing, I don't let it trade for a long time. That means not that it's not gonna trade, but it stops looking for trades. And why? Because then usually in New York the trend changes and they go like a different way. So I just want to catch that big spike on London Open, and I will show you here what I mean with that. I change here the times, and the times of trading are here for Monday. It starts at 10:30. Why 10:30? Because you can see here it's 20:09 now, and here by me it's actually 6 p.m. So I wanted to start trading at 8:30. That would be 8:30 my time when London opens. So you have to adjust always to hear what is the server time, because every broker has like a different server time, and it depends here on the server time. And then I stopped trading at 2. That means that I'm stopped trading if it's here 6 and 20, so it's 2 hours. So I stopped trading at 12 a.m. No, 12 p.m. Central European time. So I'm like out, and then I'm out 2 hours before New York session opens. So that's what I'm doing with GBP USD. Everything else is exactly the same how it is with the gold strategy, only the trading times I changed a little bit. And also here with GBP JPY, I just put it on today, and also you can see here was one pending order. It didn't get activated, it got deleted, and then it also stopped trading at exactly the same time as it does GBP USD. Let me see, GBP USD, what do I have it here? Ending, yeah, it's 12. Here it's 12, so GBP JPY should also be 12. So now what I have here, yeah, you see I have 13 here, so I have to also change here to 12. So you have to be really careful with these trading times, because it can make a big difference when to trade. So be careful how you set up this trading times. Okay, I will also show you how I'm like doing the 2% a day with my gold strategy, and I will show you. So this is it. And also I started to trade with USD 30. I'm not starting to trade, I'm starting to like play around with it to see how it would work. And you can see here also the nice sell that we got. Yeah, it was like a lot bigger, so we could get like a lot more profit out of it. But hey, I'm happy with what I got. I will never chase trades, but today, as you can see, the stochastic didn't hit the levels that we want to be hit. You see it was like way below, and here also away from 10 and 90 that we were like, that it starts looking for trades, and like it was no trade. So no problem, we are always looking just for the best setup so we can get like nice profits in and out really fast, and that's it. So if some days are no trades, guys, don't be discouraged. It's just the way that I set up this strategy. So for now, what I will be testing, the gold strategy, it's working amazing. GBP USD I have to test, GBP JPY I still have to test. USD 30, it's working really nice. So I will be testing the USD 30 even farther. Let me just see where the chat went. Okay, where's chat? Okay, let me just close some windows down here. Chat, okay, does Flash delete the pending orders every 15 minutes, or do we have to do that manually? No, Flash does that everything by itself, because here in Flash Pro, if you're using Flash Pro, when you go underneath here, that's only an option in Flash Pro, and you have it here, expire pending time, it's 15 minutes. So I set it to 15 minutes. You can set it like to 30 minutes, you can set it to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like. But what I saw, it's like really worked nice with a 15-minute pending order deletion. So I'm like keeping it for like that for now. So I have it here also 100K account that I'm trying a little bit more aggressive settings, and I'm only playing here around with gold. So here, how I calculate the lot size, I will also show you that now so you guys understand. So let's say, let me open up the calculator. Okay. So let's say if we have just message me, just put in the chat if you see my calculator, please, so I know that you see it. Just type into the chat. You can see the calculator now. Okay, yes, perfect. So how I'm calculating, like if I want to go like for 2%, okay? So I put like 113,000 in because now it's on the account, it's 113,000. I would put 113,000 in, and then you just do multiply it with 2%. So my goal to reach it's 2,260, okay? Because I see that Flash has like a low drawdown, what I do, because I want to have like lot size multiplied with 300, and I want to reach that like with one trade. So what I would do here now, I would divide here with 300, okay? So now when I divide it with 300, my lot size should be 7.53, okay? With a 7.53 lot size, we can go get into a bigger drawdown, like if something major happens. So if you want to go more conservative, then what would you do? You would just divide this also by 2, and then you would get a lot size 3.76 on a $100,000 account. Why? Divided with 2, because usually it opens Flash, like it can open up 2 sequences on gold, like it can open one buy and one sell, and if we catch both of the trades, then we are out with 2% for the day. But if it opens only one, then we're gonna do 1%, okay? So I'm gonna show you now the results of a 100K account, so you can get a feeling how that looks like. Because these settings for a 100K account, I'm actually trying to get settings that we can go through the prop firm accounts and get like founding accounts, and then you can like also like lower the risk and everything else, and just go like maybe for 0.5% a day, and that's it. But anyway, like you can see, this was the biggest drawdown. I think it was here when we also got like the biggest profit. But you can see here today we did 2.21%. What it's amazing. This week we are up 4.83%. And also on this account, it's like a more aggressive account. I'm running on a 5-minute chart. So what does that mean? That Flash is going to start looking for trades even faster. But look, we did like from October 25th. So this is like what? Now it's the second week and we are already up 14% with 24% drawdown. But doesn't even show drawdown here because usually there is like no drawdown. The biggest drawdown, what I saw like personally that I was by the computer, was with 7 lot size was $7,000 or $8,000. So like nothing major, even though I'm running it on a 5-minute chart. I would be running it on a 15-minute chart, it would be the drawdown would be even lower. So this is how I'm calculating everything for myself, how to get 2%. But then also you have the compound interest calculator. So what you can do for yourself is you go here to daily compounding, and let's say you have a $10,000 account, okay, and then you have daily compounding, and you put here like how much you would like to do, okay, because here with Flash, what I'm seeing is that it's like a really scalable strategy with gold, because we're only trading one pair. It's always like only one lot size. The lot size, it's not switching from a bigger lot size to a smaller lot size or whatever. And you can put here like 1% daily, and you can put here for yourself like, I don't know, like 2 years. And you just go include weekends, no, because we're not trading when the market is closed. And then also daily reinvest 100%, and then you can just start here, like let's say I'm gonna start this Sunday from the 6th, and then you do the calculations and put here daily, and then you will see like what your target is. And you can see if you're gonna go for a with $10,000 account, you have $100 goal. So the next thing is you have to like calculate your lot size. Okay, how would you calculate your lot size? You would go back to your calculator, okay, calculator, and our goal for the day is it's $100, okay, so it's $100. So like to get $100, what lot size should I use? So you divide $100 with 300, because we go take profit lot size plus 300, so it's divided with 300. So our lot size should be 0.33, okay? So if you have a $10,000 account, okay, what does that mean? Like what type of a risk are we actually taking with 0.33 lot size? Is like if we go, okay, 10,000 divided by 1,000. So if we run 0.01 with 1,000 is what? It's 10, and we have to divide it by 100. So to get the lot size, we would conservatively run like what? That would be 0.10, okay? But we are running 0.33. So what does that mean? If we go 10,000, okay, 10,000 divided by 300, what is the lot size that we get? We get 333. So divided by 100, we get the lot size. So to get like 1% a day and to use that lot size that I just showed you, 0.33, that would be like more on an aggressive, moderate aggressive side, okay? Because you have to run like, let's say 250, it's like aggressive, 500, it's like 0.01 for every 500, it's like moderate. So this is like something moderately aggressive, I would say. But again, I can show you here where I'm running I'm $100 account, because I wanted to see like if that's like even possible, because I have to be like really careful. So you can see here, flash, where is it? Personal flash build. Okay, so you can see here, what we did more today. Wait, let me see something. History. Oh no, okay, no, I made a mistake. So you can see here, I started with like a what was it, like $87 account. Okay, this is like a live account, so somebody's not gonna say this is a demo account, but it's a live account, like $90, and you can see with just $90 of a start, have 6.58% drawdown, and right now that the account is with 178, I can show you I'm already running a lot size of 0.02 because I put everything into the spreadsheet that you guys also have access to it, how much lot size I will actually use. So you see here, I will still use 0.02, and then next week I will switch to 0.3. So what I'm gonna be running here is gonna be like actually running 0.1 for every like 75 for every $60 on the account. But then like gradually when the account grows, I will be normally like lowering like how much, 0.01 per 100, 0.01 per 200. I'm gonna be starting to lower that, because as more as the strategy gets better and better, the less I have to like actually risk to make the same amount of money. But this account I will be always going for 2% a day. Okay, let me just see. Yes, how do you calculate your take profit cash amount and drawdown limit cash amount per pair, please? Okay, so like I'm like only running now the gold strategy myself on live accounts. I'm testing some other pairs too. I'm running on a demo account, but I love how the gold works. So I will show you here where I have it. I will show you the gold standard, where it's like the standard connection center. Let me just open it up here, flash one. Okay, here's the gold standard account. That should be like the standard for gold trading. And this is this account. Okay, we have it here. Okay, this one is still working, so we are in some buys now. Yeah, we have nice buys. So as you can see here, this is a $775 account. I started this account with like $500. So my lot size here is, because this is like, let's say, conservative account, so lot size is 0.01 for every 500. Right now it's $775 on the account, so the lot size, it's still gonna be only 0.01. When it reaches $1,000, then the lot size is gonna go to 0.02. How I calculated the cash trail start? I multiply lot size, multiply it either with 300 or 400. If you multiply it with 400, that means that it's a little bit more aggressive, because it goes for more profit, so you stay longer in trades sometimes. Cash trail buffer, it doesn't matter what the cash trail start is. I always gonna give it just like $1. Why? Because usually when the gold makes the big spikes, then it like pulls back, and then I don't want to have $100 like to like dance around, but I just want to get out of the trade and be done for the day. So this always stays one. How I calculate take profit cash amount, if it's a big spike, I just go the cash trail start and multiply it with 3, and that's how it is. So if it would be here 0.02 multiplied with 400, you would get here 8. Cash trail buffer would stay at 1, and if it's here 8, I will multiply it with 3, so it would be here 24. Simple. And everything else that you see here, I don't touch it. It's always the same. 6 max trades open, 1 trade for every 300 pips. You don't have that. We're testing out this setting. Drawdown limit cash amount, personally on this account I have it, I'm gonna run it like with 0.01. It's $100 drawdown limit cash amount. If it reaches $100 of drawdown, it's gonna close out the trades. It didn't reach it yet. So when it goes here to 0.02, I'm gonna set it up here to 200. So you have to know like what risk you want to take. I don't think you should go lower than $100 for every 0.01, because it can get like stop loss can get hit like more times. But for now, it didn't hit my $100 drawdown limit yet, and I'm running this account also for quite some time. And we can check what was the drawdown limit here. What was the drawdown here? This is the flash gold standard, and you can see here the drawdown, it's like really low. So it was like the biggest drawdown was like 2.62%. Here we can see like it's usually there's like not a lot of drawdown. Once here was 7.96, so it was like close to the drawdown limit. If it would get hit, it would get hit. That's just the part of trading. But yeah, so far it's working beautiful. Also, you can see here when I'm testing the different settings for the PAM account, because I want to have like the drawdown always underneath 2%. Today we got out with 0.25%. My goal for the PAM account is 0.5% a day. We reached 0.80 this week, so what it's today? It's Wednesday, so yeah, we are like a little bit away from the daily goal, but doesn't matter. The drawdown it's really low. Actually, the drawdown this week, today, you're gonna be surprised what the drawdown was. The drawdown today, the biggest one was 0.02%, so under 0.5%. And this is what like makes me happy with this strategy, is that like low drawdown is like really low. So what is this? This is 2.4% was on the 29th of October. So even that it's like really low for a strategy that it's a little bit more aggressive. So yeah, this is it. Like from my side, if somebody has any questions, please message them here. I can answer them. You can also open up your mic if you want to talk. But definitely we can like exchange our different views in the Discord channel. If you guys find something new that maybe I didn't see, and let's make it better. I think that we can really do nice profits with Flash, with like fast trades, and that's it. That's my goal, to make like nice profit with fast trades. So if somebody has any questions, drop them in. I can answer them for you here. If not, we can. Yes.
Good evening, or dobre večer.
Hey.
Hi, this is Livio. I'm from Amsterdam, also in the same time zone as you. I'm wondering, because I'm still on Variable right now, but I'm planning to change this Friday to Flash, at least one of the two. What is the best broker for us located in Europe to get the best result? Because I saw today, I saw a lot of different results and a lot of different brokers.
Yeah, so like I'm running it on NVFX, I'm running it on Vantage FX, I'm running it on Image FX, we had it also on Keto Markets. So between these 4 brokers that I was using it's not such a big difference. because all these brokers usually have like similar like feeds, like liquidity providers, and Flash it's not like so sensitive like to like different how would I say brokers. Sometimes like some brokers it doesn't reach the stochastic level, so maybe that would be like a problem. But for me personally, I didn't see like a big difference, and I'm running like 4 different brokers with Flash.
Okay. And do you have a favorite broker?
I don't have like a favorite one. Like I'm using the most I'm using NVFX because it's simple for me. Because it has like everything in crypto. I also like Vantage FX and also Key to Markets. It's also one of my favorites. But personally, like I don't have like a preference because all the brokers like that we are using here are like actually good. It's just like what you like. If you like more like bank transfer, credit card transfer, then maybe Vantage FX or Keto Markets. And like if you like more crypto, maybe NVFX or Image FX. All these brokers are good.
Okay. Thank you.
How much leverage on brokers do you recommend? Like until you don't have like a 10K account, you can go like with zero, one against 500, 1 to 200. There's no private leverage 1 to 10, 1 to 30 would be better. Just like I didn't like trade with such a low leverage with Flash yet. We have leverage now 1 against 50 on Fingo Pro 1 that we are using, but there's like a lot of money on. So just try it, like try it on a demo account, play around like for a week, 2 weeks, a month, and you will see if it works. If it works, put real money on. Always like when you like start some strategies like that or something new, always first try on a demo account because it's really important. Because some brokers, especially with gold or then indices, they have like they're calculating pips a little bit different. So you have to like adjust like a little bit like to different brokers. So this is like if I go to a new broker, I always like run like a demo account for the first month to like get a feel for the broker and how everything works on that broker. So guys, if there is no more questions, I'm happy that we got finally a call. We're gonna be doing these calls like once every single month because I don't think it's like we need more of these calls. Also, when you like now subscribe to Luma where you had like the call, you will get the notifications like 1 week before we start the next call, so you can get like ready. And yeah, it was having nice you on the call, guys. Have a great day, have a great night. Talk to you soon. Bye.